Ever feel the frustration of losing your brilliant Jupyter Notebook code, or struggling to share it with collaborators? Let's walk through exactly how to easily upload your Jupyter Notebook to GitHub, keeping your work safe and accessible to the world. First, ensure your Jupyter Notebook is saved. Click File in the Jupyter Notebook menu, and then select Save Notebook. Next, download your notebook by selecting Download and then download a single quotes.ipynb file. Great! Now you'll want to navigate to where you saved the .ipynb file on your computer so that we can upload it to GitHub. Now go to your GitHub repository where you want to store the notebook. Click the Add File button, and from the drop-down menu, select Upload Files. On the Upload Files page, you'll see an area to drag and drop your files, or a button that says Choose Your Files. Click this Choose Your Files button. A File Explorer window will appear. Locate the .ipynb file you saved earlier, select it, and click Open. GitHub will begin uploading your notebook file. You'll see a progress bar indicating the upload status. Once the file is uploaded, scroll down to the Commit Changes section. Here, you need to write a brief description of the upload. A good commit message could be something like Uploaded Jupyter Notebook. Then click the Commit Changes button. Congratulations! Your Jupyter Notebook is now safely stored on GitHub. Click on the file name to view its content. You can now share this link with others, allowing them to view and download your code. Enjoy sharing your work and collaborating with ease.